Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define biomolecules, explain carbohydrates, classify carbohydrates, describe proteins, class of nucleic acid. Definition. The branch of science that deals with the study of the chemical composition and the structure of living organisms and also various chemical changes taking place within them is called biochemistry. The complex organic molecules which form the basis of life, which build up living organisms and are also required for their growth and maintenance are called biomolecules. Biomolecules are related to the living organisms in the sequence living organism, organs, tissues, cells, organelles, and biomolecules. The cell. The cell is the fundamental unit of life. It is too small to be seen with naked eyes. It can be seen with the help of a microscope. Cells are packets of chemicals essential for life. The cell has the ability to grow and divide to produce cells. These daughter cells can further divide to produce new progeny of cells. Cells may be combined to form tissues. Tissues may be grouped into organs, and organs may be combined into organisms. A living cell contains about 50 elements. The most abundant substance in a living cell is water, which amounts to about 70% of the weight. In addition to water, the cell contains a large number of carbon compounds. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates constitute an important class of compounds like glucose, fructose, sucrose, starch, cellulose, etc., which play a vital role in our everyday life. Carbohydrates are defined as polyhydroxyaldehydes or polyhydroxyketones, or the compounds which can be hydrolyzed to them. They are also known as saccharides. These are the ultimate source of most of our food. They are derived mainly from plants. The name carbohydrate was given to the compounds pertaining to general formula CxH2OY. Classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are classified into three major categories, depending upon their behavior towards hydrolysis: monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. Monosaccharides. These are simple carbohydrates which cannot be hydrolyzed to still simpler carbohydrates. For example, glucose and fructose. Oligosaccharides. These are the carbohydrates which on hydrolysis give 2 to 9 units of monosaccharides. They have subcategories depending upon the actual number of monosaccharide units formed by the hydrolysis of a particular oligosaccharide. Disaccharides give 2 units of monosaccharides on hydrolysis. For example, maltose and sucrose. Trisaccharides give 3 units of monosaccharides on hydrolysis. For example, raffinose. Tetrasaccharides give 4 units of monosaccharides on hydrolysis. For example, stachyose. Polysaccharides. These are the carbohydrates which are polymeric molecules and can be hydrolyzed to give large number of monosaccharide units. For example, starch, glycogen, and cellulose. Monosaccharides. Monosaccharides containing aldehyde group are called aldoses, while those containing ketonic group are called ketoses.